Hello everyone, you are watching TNV Academy and this is Akanksha Mishra. Let me start with a bold statement. If you truly understand one core idea, you don't just understand ISO 9001, ISO 14001 or ISO 27001. You understand ISO completely. Not the clauses, not the documentation, not the audits, but the philosophy behind it. ISO is not a checklist, a folder, or a certification exercise. It is a way of thinking, and once you understand that, everything else becomes logical and simple. ISO is about managing risk and improving performance in a structured, consistent way. If you grasp risk-based thinking and continual improvement, you understand ISO. Every clause, context, leadership, planning, support, operations, performance evaluation, improvement revolves around this. ISO helps organizations prevent problems before they happen and improve performance over time. Miss this, and ISO feels complicated. Understand this, and ISO becomes crystal clear. Now, from compliance to effectiveness, many organizations approach ISO like a documentation project. They ask, what documents do we need? What will the auditor ask? But ISO is not about documents. ISO is about control. Do you manage your risk? Do you measure performance? Do you improve systematically? Treating ISO as paperwork makes it heavy. Treating ISO as a management system makes it powerful. Every clause supports this idea. Context identifies risk and opportunities. Leadership ensures accountability and direction. Planning addresses risk and sets objectives. Support ensures resources and competence. Operations control processes. Performance evaluation monitors outcomes. Improvement corrects and enhances continuously. Each element exists to control risk and improve performance. Understand this connection, and ISO stops feeling like a manual and starts making sense. Now, risk-based thinking and continual improvement. Modern ISO standards emphasize risk-based thinking, yet many treat it as a checklist. Risk-based thinking is not a list, it is a mindset. Ask, what could go wrong? What opportunities exist? How prepared are we? Are we reacting or anticipating? Organizations that anticipate challenges are naturally aligned with ISO, while those that only react struggle. The second half of understanding ISO is continual improvement. ISO doesn't expect perfection, it expects progress. Measure performance, identify gaps, correct mistakes, prevent recurrence, and improve efficiency. A system that looks the same year after year is static. ISO is dynamic by design. Leadership makes ISO real. Without leadership, ISO becomes a quality department activity. With leadership, it becomes a strategic tool. When top management uses risk assessments to make decisions, analyzes performance trends, and drives improvement initiatives, ISO becomes embedded in the organization's DNA. Leadership involvement is what turns theory into practice. The difference between cosmetic ISO and real ISO is huge. Cosmetic ISO has generic objectives, routine reviews, copy-paste risk assessment, and documentation prepared for auditors. Real ISO has objectives aligned with a strategy, meaningful risk discussions, data-driven decisions, and improvements that drive growth. It's philosophy over paperwork. Now, what happens when you truly understand ISO? When you understand ISO, meetings become meaningful. Risks are openly discussed. Performance data influences decisions. Corrective actions prevent repeat issues. Audits become conversations rather than interrogations. ISO stops being a burden and starts being a management framework. Shift your mindset. Instead of asking, is this ISO compliant? Ask, does this reduce risk or improve performance? Instead of asking, what document do we need? Ask, what control do we need? Instead of asking, what will the auditor say? Ask, are we managing effectively? This mindset alone makes ISO simpler and far more effective. Now, the ultimate test and closing thought. Here is a question for you. If your certificate disappeared tomorrow, would your management system still function effectively? If yes, you understand ISO. If no, your system is built around certification, not management. ISO is a structured common sense. Understand your environment, lead with accountability, plan for risk, control operations, measure results, and improve continuously. Once you understand that cycle, you understand ISO, not just one standard, but the philosophy behind all ISO standards. This is Akanksha, and I hope today's session helps you see ISO differently, not as clauses to memorize, but as a way of thinking that strengthens your organization and transforms audits into tools for growth. This is all about today's deep session. I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV for more such insightful content.